Hello everyone, today I'm going to try to restore this beautiful pocket watch from the famous brand Movado. A 100-year-old watch with a beautiful 15 joules movement. In general condition, the watch is very dirty and not working well. I start by releasing the power from the mainspring. After removing the stem and crown, there is a screw on the inside of the movement securing it to the case. I'm going to remove the hands and then right after, the dial. I'm going to remove the hour and minute wheels, followed by the can and pinion. With utmost care, I remove the balance bridge. It's time to remove the pallet fork and its bridge. Note that the winding wheel screw is left threaded, turns clockwise to loosen, while the ratchet wheel screw has a standard right-handed thread. Once the plate is removed, the mainspring barrel is accessible. Removing the train wheel bridge reveals the center wheel, the third wheel, the fourth wheel, and the escape wheel. I am now going to remove the entire keyless works. I am going to remove the cap jewel attached to the main plate for cleaning. Dried oil here usually causes a drop in the watch's amplitude. And finally, I am going to disassemble the balance wheel and also remove its cap jewel to check if everything is okay. Prepare all parts with benzene or lighter fluid using a pre-wash. After the pre-wash, place them in the ultrasonic cleaner with the Elma cleaning solution. As for the dial, since it has several dark hairline cracks, I am going to choose to submerge it for a few hours in polydent. As for the silver case, I am going to use the old method of baking soda and then polish it with fine polishing compound. Let's do the reassembly of this beauty. Let's start with the wheel train. On the mainspring I am going to use Moebius 8200 grease. On the arbor I am going to use Moebius 9104 just like on the center wheel. Install and secure the barrel bridge. Before installing the ratchet wheel and the crown wheel, I am going to place the click spring. On the pallet fork, I am going to lubricate the jewels with Moebius 941 and right after proceed to its assembly. Now that all the points have been lubricated, I am going to install the keyless works. The moment of truth has arrived. I am going to assemble the balance wheel, and don't forget the cap jewel lubricated with Moebius 9010. Finally, I am going to assemble the hour and minute wheels, fit the dial, and then case the movement back into its beautiful silver housing before installing the hands. Thank you for watching another restoration. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to leave a like, and right there in the top right corner, link will appear for another restoration of a beautiful Hamilton.